AR Polo team emerged as the champion of the second DGAR Women's Polo Championship, jointly organized by All Manipur Polo Association and DGAR South. In the final match played today at Mapal Kangjibung in Imphal, AR Polo team edged past Chinkai Hunba Polo Club with a close 7-6 victory to lift the championship title. For the winning team, N. Lakshmi, M. Inaurimbi and O. Veronica scored 2 goals each, while HP2 added 1 goal. For the runners-up, TH Tana netted 4 goals, while Nelu Rajkumari and M. Priya scored 1 goal each. A total of 4 teams participated in the championship. Speaking at the closing ceremony, All Manipur Polo Association President Dr. K. Sarachandra praised the players for their performance and discipline, particularly lauding their punctuality in practice. He assured continued efforts by the association to nurture and produce more talented polo players in the state.
Manipuri players in the Duki Masi, Yambing Eli, or the Hazana Sanabasu, by Vizipogi Tarsi, Manipuri Pimsas, Yam Heliana, the Queen of Logic. Matung the Zoo, pay the Pimsasi is Hanaba, pay all Manipur Polo Association now. Yam encouraged over Satari, Moyi, training ground, Nasiba, Pegi, the Jeriba, Heroes Company, Polo Ground, Makoy. Regular practice to there Jawi Masina Ipona Nongajari with the Pegi or Manipur Polo Association Polo Ground erosion the exam Adukimati Manipur is under Roising Epamasa or Pimsa Zinka Yam the Kanava Yam the Piri